everyone, welcome to Self-Care Sunday, where we share skincare routines, take a little relaxing breath before we start our busy weeks, have our beverages of choice, and where I introduce a couple new products every once in a while that I'm using. Today I have a new gizmo that I've incorporated into my skincare routine, which makes me laugh and giggle every time I use it. And I'm going to show you a new eye cream that I'm using and a sunscreen that just makes you glow. So if you're interested in skincare, taking a break, having some coffee, grab your skincare routine and let's get going. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Great to have you. So today I'm ready to jump right in. I'm really jazzed. I purchased a sprayer and I've been using my Sukiyaki Suhara Urea Moisturizing Lotion in this and it's hilarious. Watch. Okay, if I can do this correctly. Give it a squeeze. Oh my gosh, and it's just so alerting. It's like, woo, just a blast. So most of you know I don't typically do a wash or a cleanse in the morning, and that's because usually I wake up with my skin really, really dry, and that was the case this morning. So I'm not going to use a cleanse. I'm not going to do a cleanse in the morning, and I'm going to jump right into a spritz or a spray. And today I'm using my Sukiyaki Yuhara Urea Moisturizing Lotion, which I love, in my new spray bottle, which I got this idea from Penn Smith. Oh my gosh, it's fantastic and it's fun. It like makes me laugh every time I use it. All right, so I also am going to be doing my Nuface today. That's a new routine for me. I had such an issue starting this routine. I would break out from the gel that came with it and I was just having a terrible time. And then I reached out to some YouTube folks that I know, and it was Claudia Glows, who finally turned me on to the tip that I could just use mineral water. And another option was using an aloe gel with a pinch of salt. That didn't work for me, but the mineral water is fantastic. So what I do is I do my morning spritz and spray and give that a bit of a massage. And then I am working through some growth factors that I've got, some skin rehab and some peptides that I got from Peter Thomas Roth. And I do a little cocktail of that. I've had microneedling, and so I'm all healed up, but I'm just finishing these products up, and they're amazingly moisturizing, loving them both. And I just kind of come in with a layer of each, and so just layer those two up. And then here's my trick for my Nuface. I have been using up an Evian mineral water in a spray bottle. I used to think this was going to be my trick for living here in Colorado, keeping my skin moisturized. No, you put water on your face, it evaporates, and you don't put any moisture, a moisturizer over it, and you have dry skin and transepidermal water loss. Okay, so lesson learned. But these little bottles that I purchased have come in fantastically handy. Pricey, not what I would go to if you wanted to really use mineral water. But I am using these up. So I got myself a jug of mineral water. But for my Nuface, I've been using up these little Evian mineral waters, spraying them on over my cocktail of peptides and running through my Nuface routine. So I'm doing a 30-day trial of my Nuface, and I'm going to probably speed this up because this takes a bit. And I've really been enjoying this routine, but like I said, it was really difficult to get going with it because I was allergic to or had some contact dermatitis from the gel that comes with it. Now I bought this particular gizmo on a 30% off or 25% off from Skin Store. So I had hesitated to get this, but then I kept seeing such, nice results, though maybe temporary, or, I don't know about long lasting results with this, but it is microcurrent, which is purported to do a little bit of skin tightening. And that's what I'm hoping to get out of this. We'll see. Like I said, I'm going to do a 30-day trial and we'll see how I go. So let me finish up. I'm going to speed this guy up. Okay, so that's my Nuface routine done. It really does force you to relax. It's a great thing on a Sunday morning. Okay, I think it's done beeping. But it really forces you to relax. It does take 5 minutes every morning. I think it wants me to turn it off. It takes 5 minutes out of your day every morning or every evening, once a day, and we'll see what the results are. Like I said, I've been seeing some really nice sort of temporary results that people are showing before and afters, and I will share mine with you at the end of 30 days. So let's move on to the next step in my routine. So I've got my Murad. I'm going to read the label to you. I'm trying this under eye cream. It is the Murad Environmental Shield Vita C Eyes Dark Circle Corrector. That is a mouthful. But this, I'm trying this morning, number one, because I'm really red rimmed under the eyes. This has a slight amount of titanium dioxide to give you a brightening effect. It's got vitamin C and niacinamide, all brighteners, and I really need that this morning. I'm not too puffy, so I'm not going to go with my inky caffeine cream. I'm going to go with this one, and I'm going to include it under my Dieux eye masks, which I've been seriously enjoying. These little reusable eye masks are absolutely adorable. They are now part of my regular Sunday self-care routine. I can't say that during the regular weekday. Here's my vitamin C eye cream by Murad. I can't say that I use the little eye shields every day because life is busy. But on Sundays, I take a little extra time just for me. I'm going to put these on. Take some deep relaxing breaths because it's been kind of a hectic morning already. I hope you're having a lovely morning. I hope you've grabbed your skincare and joined me. I'm still zhuzhing on my coffee here. I just love this mug. I got it from Target. Of course, where I get everything. It's wake up and be awesome. And it's a lot of coffee. I usually only fill it halfway with my half cup, but this just makes me smile too. So that's what my Sundays are about. Doing things that make me smile and make me laugh. Oh, I almost knocked over my new spray bottle. And I just hope you're having a lovely, wonderful Sunday morning and taking a few relaxing breaths. I'm going to let these kind of soak in and go, I think, fill the dishwasher. I'll be right back. So I lucked out. I didn't have to do the dishes. Someone kindly had already done them, but I got some more coffee. Hopefully you have your beverage of choice along with your skincare routine, and you can play along with me this morning. So these eye masks, they're so fun. It doesn't matter which way you put them on. Small tail in, big tail in, whatever is comfortable for you. I put big tail in because I want to occlude all the way under my eye area. So let's see if this here Murad Vitamin C eye cream brightened up. I think it did. I like it. It did. That gave a really nice brightening effect. But of course there's, some titanium dioxide in there that really brightens things up. Okay, next step in my routine today is going to be a moisturizer. Oh, where is it? I've lost it. I know it's here somewhere. Okay, so it was sitting right behind me. I have it. But I know this is supposed to be a peptide night cream. I find it works really nicely for my dry skin during the day. It's a creamy, amazing formula for me. Texture, it's just creamy and delightful and kind of a whipped texture that I absolutely have fallen in love with. I was really skeptical. I've used the Trinny and a couple other peptide creams, night creams or day creams or whatever, moisturizers, but this one is my absolute favorite at the moment. So I'm gonna let that settle just a minute, and I'm gonna talk to you about a sunscreen that I'm using. It is so gloomy here today that I just want to glow. So I've got under eye glow. I'm going to use a super glowy sunscreen. This is Colorescience Total. Oh gosh, I have to get my glasses. It's hopeless around here without glasses. Okay, so the Colorescience Sun Forgettable Total Protection. I always forget the part Sun Forgettable, but it's their glow formula. They have a couple different shades, and this gives you a glow. If you need a little beam in your day, this stuff is awesome. It's really, really glowy. It's a little on the runny side, and this particular one has kind of a more yellowy as opposed to a pink undertone. So, and you got to make sure you get your 1/4 teaspoon on there. 1/4 for the neck and décolleté, and 1/4 for your face. So I will have to do this in layers because this is a pretty runny formula, and getting that much on here can be a bit of a trick. But as you can see, it's like super glowy, super awesome. I'm losing my head, my head contraption. Oh my gosh. Ah, too crazy. But as you can see, this goes on so lovely. I will speed this up, fix my head wrap here, and show you the finished result after my 3 layers. So my turban is certainly not cooperating today, but I think I've got it secure. Oh my gosh, this morning was not exactly relaxing as I had hoped it would be. But I hope you enjoyed today's little video of my skincare routine, the updates that I'm doing, the new Murad Vitamin C Under Eye Formula, which gives a lovely glow. And of course, I've kind of covered it up a bit with the Colorescience Unforgettable Total Protection Glow. This is a really gorgeous formula, especially if you want a nice dewy glow look, which is kind of what I'm feeling this morning since it's so crummy outside. And the Dieux eye masks, I'm just going to run them under a little bit of warm soapy water and clean them up, give them a little dry off in their tray. I've been really having a lot of fun with them, and if you're interested, I'll link it in my shop my shelf down below so you can take a look and see what you think. But the company is really great. They're really, it's, you know, sustainable, eco-friendly, and I just sort of really love the concept of these little Dieux eye masks. So I've been so enjoying those. And to top it off at the very end here, I'm going to do a little bit of Trinny's Lippy, and it's in shade Pia, just to give myself a little brightening. And I don't do a whole lot of makeup because I typically use tinted sunscreen, so that seems to be enough for me. So I hope you've enjoyed today's Self-Care Sunday. I hope you're having a lovely day. This was not as relaxing as it probably should have been, but now I can be sure that I'm ready to go, got my skincare done, go read the newspaper, take a few minutes to relax before I start my mountain of paperwork today. I hope you have some fun things planned for your Sunday. Take good care. Bye. Don't forget, subscribe, like, tag a friend. As always, I appreciate the time you spend with me. Have a lovely day. Bye, everybody. So for the final look, I wanted to give you a quick peek because I went in and put in another layer of the Vita C Dark Circle Corrector by Murad under my eyes. I really like this for those days when your eyes really need an extra bit of help. I think it came out really nice. It really did correct those dark circles, whether it's the niacinamide or the vitamin C or the iron oxides, not sure, probably a combination of both, but it does give a very light and illuminating effect, and I think it really helped knock out those dark circles. So just wanted to give you a quick look at the final result, and take care, everybody. Have a wonderful Sunday. Woo! Bright-eyed and bushy-tailed for my Sunday. Okay, I'm ridiculous.